Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Salesforce jobs. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to the Trailhead platform. And from here, or this is a learning platform for Salesforce. So from here, you will be able to learn more about Salesforce and for each roles that you would like. If you want to be just a developer for Salesforce or have some development career for Salesforce, you will be able to start learning for Salesforce, and from here you can also find the levels for it. And basically you will need just to start passing these trails and get as much badges as you can that would certify or that will give you some value for your knowledge. And at the end, you will need to start finding the jobs. And basically, one way to do it is by going to the career resource, or you can simply go to the Trailblazer career marketplace. So for here, you will need just to go to the career path and you can either take the quiz or you can simply check for the career path that you have. So now I'm just going to the career market and basically, you can choose your location, but what matters the most is to choose your role. So if you are a developer, you will need just to click on search jobs, and from there you can start filtering by locations. And basically, all you need to do is to see all the job applications or job posts, and then you can apply for them. So as you can see, you can just click on this one, and you will be able to start seeing all these job applications, and you can apply to them. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.